Hi guys, welcome to my Schooling YouTube channel. Today we are gonna discuss about social science for class 6 CBSE History chapter 1 what, where, how and when. But before that, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon, you will be notified. Today we are going to discuss about some important terms that are relevant to the topic. Archaeologists. People who study the objects made and used in the past are called archaeologists. Excavation. The process of digging under the surface of the earth in order to find old objects is called excavation. So we come to know that by excavation the archaeologists find out old clay materials, pots, beads, etc. from the excavation sites. Have you ever heard about the word historians? Historians are scholars who study about the past. Those days, paper was not used to write. So, inscriptions are writings which were made on very hard surfaces like stone or metal. Books that were written long ago by hand on palm leaves or barks of trees are called manuscripts. Children, have you ever heard about skilled gatherers? People who gathered their food were called as skilled gatherers. Our forefathers were hunters as well as skilled gatherers. They had to hunt their food and gather those food. They had to protect themselves from wild animals. They lived on the banks of the river Narmada for several 100,000 years. People traveled from one place to other and shared their ideas and culture. Even now we travel to many places and find out many ideas from other cultural people. Isn't it not? We share our culture. You might have heard about this term tributaries. Smaller rivers that flow into a larger river is called as a tributary. Let us discuss about the timeline. 8,000 years ago, beginning of agriculture happened. 4,700 years ago, first cities were formed. 2,500 years ago, Magadha kingdom was made. Can you see a picture of hunter-gatherers here? They live in groups. Who are hunter-gatherers? A hunter-gatherer is a human living in a society in which most or all food is obtained by foraging, collecting wild plants and pursuing wild animals. They were doing all this before they found out agriculture. Life of people. People lived along the banks of rivers called as settlements for several 100,000 years. It was very comfortable for them for agriculture and other purposes. Earliest people were skilled hunters and gatherers. First grown crops. The first grown crops were wheat and barley before 8,000 years in the Sulaiman and Kirtar hills, which is located in Pakistan. Children, can you see the picture of rearing of sheep? People also began rearing animals like sheep, goat and cattle and started living in villages. People also began rearing animals like sheep, goat and cattle and they started to live in villages. They settled down. Rice was first grown near North Vindhyas. Men and women moved in search of livelihood as well as to escape from natural disasters like floods or droughts. Sometimes men marched in armies conquering other lands to occupy their territories. Children, can you see some of the stone tools here? These were used during the Stone Age. Stone tools were used to make weapons for fighting, hunting, fishing, scraping and cleaning animal hides, drilling, engraving, sharpening tools, etc. Stone tools were also used to make clothing, transport such as boats, shelter and decorative art. Now let us see the lifestyle of the nomadic people, the hunters-gatherers. People started to have new ways of carving stones for hunting animals. They even started to compose music and they started cooking food. What are manuscripts? Manuscripts were usually written on palm leaf or on the specially prepared bark of a tree known as birch, which grows in the Himalayas. Inscriptions were engraved either on a stone surface or on metals or bricks. Inscriptions are writings on hard surfaces such as stone or metal. Manuscripts helped reveal our past. Who are archaeologists? Archaeologists are people who study about the past. Archaeologists study the remains of buildings made of stones and bricks, paintings and sculpture. They also explore and excavate to find tools, weapons, pans, ornaments, pots, coins, etc. Archaeologists also look for bones of animals, fishes and birds in order to find out what people ate in the past. All dates before the birth of Christ are counted backwards and usually have the letters BC or BCE before Christ added on. So shall we have a quick warm-up, children? What all we have learnt so far? People have lived on the banks of Narmada for several thousand years. The earliest of them were hunters and gatherers, people who gathered their food. Near Sulaiman and Kirtar hills in present-day Pakistan, crops like wheat and barley were first grown 8,000 years ago. People also began rearing animals like sheep, goat and cattle. They lived in villages. Rice was first grown in the north of Vindhyas. Agriculture developed near the Garo hills near the Vindhyas. Some of the earliest cities flourished about 4,700 years ago on the banks of the Indus and its tributaries. Cities also developed on the banks of Ganga. People traveled from one place to another and interacted with each other, thus sharing ideas. This has enriched our culture. Old books were called manuscripts. They were usually written on palm leaf or the bark of the birch tree. They are helpful in revealing our past. Archaeologists have also found some inscriptions which are engraved form of writing on hard surfaces such as stone or metal. They were used for various purposes. People who study objects made and used in the past are called archaeologists. They explore and excavate to find old objects. They also look for bones of living beings to find what people ate. We have come to the end of this chapter, children. I hope you would have enjoyed this session and you would have understood clearly. Please watch my video fully and subscribe to my schooling channel and press the bell icon for new updates. For further questions, contact me in Instagram.